Good day to all. I just want to upload here what I saw. The vision of God the Father, like looking at me down. When I was praying, I looked at Him up in the clouds portion where I am at here in the room. And then I saw Him, His face looking at me down like this. But then in the vision, He is wearing also white. I saw Him all white. The crown is different. This crown is different because it's gold. The one that I saw is like all white with precious stones, and it's look like I don't know how it's called, maybe like the a diamond, I don't know, but it's the crown is white, it's not gold when I saw him. And the beard is different too. This is how, it's just that this is how the way he looked at me when I was praying, and I look up and I saw him looking at me, and his face is very serious. When you see God the Father, his face is so serious, really, like you will be so afraid. So I just find some pictures that looks like exactly God the Father of what I saw in the vision, and I really find same of what I saw him the way he is in my vision. So as I've said, I saw God the Father, but he have a long beard, and his beard is really like this way. It's not the short one, but of course, you know, you can, even God Jesus can cut his hair a little bit and change the image. But this is how exactly what I saw in God the Father. And he's wearing a crown. It's like all white with the precious stones on it, and he's wearing a white robe, the same as this. And I saw him also with the beard, but his face is really look like this. And I would say this is really God the Father, because I saw God the Father in the other vision too, like when I was in a car. And that when I was in a car, he is like having a long beard also, not this way. But I was like, he was talking and talking to me, but I couldn't remember. And I just then realized in the morning that I was praying to the Lord. I said, God, if the mark of the beast will gonna come, please take us to be with you. And then maybe that's the answer, that we are in the, that me, I just saw myself though, and God the Father, like in the car, and he was on the driving wheel. It's like maybe he's gonna take me home or something like that, but I do not know. But I still keep on praying, because God is good to, if you only obey his commandments and the will, of course. I'm just sharing because I kind of saw the same robe that what he is wearing in my vision. So I finally found, and that's why I'm sharing this. God bless all.